Hey everybody, it's Wes Davis. I'm the Director of Technical Services at ACCA, the Air Conditioning Contractors of America. And we're very excited about the new release of measureQuick, the opportunity to issue quality installation certificates, both for just the equipment, that's a verified equipment operation, or for the whole system, which includes the distribution network as well. And that's verified system performance. And these are both tied to the ACCA 5 quality installation standard. And we believe these two certificates are going to provide you feedback on how your techs, how your installers are doing in the field. It's great to have good employees. I had some of the best, but it's even better to know that they're doing the job right, that they're leaving that equipment operating as it should, and that your customer is going to benefit from that. And we believe that that symbiosis, your feedback, your confirmation that the work you're doing qualifies and that it's meeting certain standards, is also going to help your customer. They're going to want, their neighbors are going to want the same service that they got. So we believe that these quality installation certificates are going to help you have more confidence in the work you're doing, and your customers will have more comfort. And we're opening these up for everybody. You don't have to be an ACCA member. You don't have to be a quality assured contractor. It's open to everyone. We have a different pricing structure, which will go into effect on 1 January. So try them out. If you like what you see, if you like the feedback you're getting, if your customers appreciate that they have a certificate at the end of the job that confirms you did your job, it's a win-win for the whole industry. You want to set yourself apart from the rest of the industry? Quality installation certificates are the way to do it.